This is exactly how I myself was able to fix Escape the Backrooms crashing. So I had this problem for a while, but I was finally able to find a solution for it. So firstly, go into Steam where you have actually purchased the game here, and then on Library you're going to find your game here, and then just right click on it. And then what you need to do is to make sure to click on Properties right here, as you can see. And now on Properties, click on Install Files. So install files here, and then click on verify integrity of game files, very important. And then you can see here it's going to take you a couple of minutes probably to be able to complete this process. And if there is something wrong with the game's saved files, it's going to tell you here so you can actually fix it. And now what we need to do as well is that we're going to right click on it here again, as you can see, click on manage, click on browse local files. And now on the Backrooms app here, as you can see, just right click on it, then click on show more options. Click on properties here. I'm just going to make sure you can see as well. So I'm just going to focus on this one right here. Click on compatibility, and then click on run this program as an administrator. And then click on apply here, and then click on OK after you have enabled this one setting right here. You can also, by the way, disable full screen optimization. Click on apply and click on OK. This, by the way, can fix it for most of you right here. But if it still isn't working for you, you need to make sure to know exactly what type of graphic card that you actually have, or what type of drivers you have rather. So I'm using NVIDIA here, as you can see, and I have their official app. So if I go into their official app here and then on drivers, you can see I have one driver here that I have to actually get, which is released quite recently. So yeah, if you have this one as well, you make sure to get the newest one, of course. But of course you can have other, maybe it's gonna be like Dell or any other provider that you actually are using their drivers instead. Make sure to actually get the specific app for the ones that you are using. That's, I guess, what I'm trying to say. And then after that, I'm just gonna go back into the game here. I'm just gonna click on Backrooms, just click on yes. And it hasn't crashed for me in, never since I did this one specific fix here, as you can see. So pretty awesome, works as it should basically. You can see if I click on OK here, yeah. And I'm back into the game here. And basically that is exactly how I myself was able to fix it.